you're going to be doing a list of things, okay? A list in a very specific order, which is the steps. And it's the beginning of our writing, okay? By doing this, we're going to learn how to add details and keep them in a certain order. And that's going to help us as we write further on, especially when we start writing in our summaries or in our narratives and our stories, okay? So this is a really important step, even though it may seem really silly. It's very important that we learn how to do this, okay? And we're going to do 2 of these, okay? The first one is peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And I want you to think of the steps to do a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You know, you just take the bread and you put the peanut butter and jelly on. No, there's more to it than that. You know, don't you have to get the bread out of the refrigerator, out of the cabinet, the peanut butter out of the cabinet, the jelly out of the fridge? And don't you first get out 2 pieces of bread and then do you put peanut butter on one side and jelly on the other? Or do you put them both on top of each other? That's the kind of things that you're thinking about, is what kind of steps do you do? Now, like the directions say, you're going to write out your steps. You can be very in-depth. Like I go to the cabinet and take out my bread. Open up the package. That'd be the next step. Third step, take out 2 pieces of bread. You could be that in depth, okay, if you want to be. Or you can be not too short, okay? I want you to have at least, and I didn't finish this because I wanted to do it with you guys, okay? I want you to have at least 5 to 8 steps, okay? That's what you need to have. So when you write on here, let's say you have more than 8. If I'm typing after my 8th one, and maybe this is where I'm going to put your peanut butter on your bread. And then see how if I press enter, I get another one, and enter, I get number 10. So you'll be able to do that, and you'll be able to add if you need to add more than 8 steps, okay? But I'm just putting 8 in there. If you only use 5, fantastic. If you use less than 5, if you use less than 5, you need to have a little bit more information on there, okay? And think a little more in depth of what you're doing with the peanut butter and jelly sandwich, okay? So that's about writing this. And then the second thing we're going to do, and that one will be for a grade. The peanut butter and jelly is practice to get us used to it. And so I'll be checking them over and not grading them. But the next one for a grade will be how to brush your teeth, okay? And so I'm going to post that one next with a really cool video about brushing teeth and people doing it and where it all came from Mystery Science. I think you're going to like it. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this because I need to make sure it's nice and clean for you guys. So here it is. Oops. There we go. Have fun. And again, email me if you have any questions.